Veer away from these 3 red flags when dialing into an effective nutrition plan. Hi, I'm Amanda, the body coach. I've been a fitness professional for 20 years, and I'm here to bring you some extreme facts and some value to ponder on within your health and fitness journey. So let's get at it. So I get it. Food is life. Nutrition is a massive component when you are getting into a proper health and fitness routine. So we all know that fitness and nutrition go hand in hand, and we create a synergy effect between the two. But what we really need to focus on is how we can optimally get really dialed in to effective results by making nutrition and fitness work hand in hand. So being a fitness professional for 20 years, I have seen every diet, every nutrition plan out there. And to this day, I still get emails and PDFs saying, "Oh, Amanda, what do you think of this?" Throw it away. Don't even go down that rabbit hole, because you are setting yourself up for potential failure. Clients send me over-the-top extreme diets asking for my thoughts, and I always say Godspeed, because the more complex and rigid a nutrition plan is, the more chances of that crash and burn effect happening. Unsustainable results become very real and apparent when we start cutting out things that we love, or cutting out macronutrients that we feel are sabotaging our results. Mindset is everything, so having self-control is one puzzle piece, but also the consistency of a sustainable, non-rigid plan to match your lifestyle is the other puzzle piece. KISS, keep it simple, silly. We have used this forever within the fitness industry. Keep it simple, silly. It's all about structure, so make it easy and simple to follow. Too rigid sets you up for essential failure. Number 2 is being honest with yourself and potentially being honest with the fitness professional you're working with. I have heard in the past, "I'm eating healthy, I don't know what's going wrong. I don't know what's up with my body. Why am I not seeing my results?" Being honest with yourself and the fitness coach you're working with is a game changer, because if you have convinced yourself that you are eating healthy, chances are there's a couple tweaks and some things that can be changed in order for you to start seeing optimal results. Dissecting one's nutritional choices down to the nitty-gritty allows a nutrition and fitness coach to see what's really going on deep down within someone's nutrition plan. Fitness coaches can always find a few little loose ends that can be tidied up, and a little bit of TLC goes a long way. Being healthy is one thing, but being honest with yourself about achieving a specific goal is another thing. Everyone wants to be healthy, but specific goals and staying true to those specific goals will really help catapult your results forward. Stop lying, be honest with yourself. Last red flag is developing that wrong mindset towards nutrition instead of developing that strong right mindset towards nutrition. Sacrifices in regards to things you love is inevitable if you have specific goals that you're steering towards and trying to achieve. The level of importance it is to you is the secret. Are you willing to do what it takes? So strong mindset versus the wrong mindset. You need to decipher what's the most important thing to you in regards to your health and fitness journey. And if you dig a little deeper and do a few tweaks, you can develop a really gritty, strong mindset towards your nutrition. Sacrifices aren't forever. They're usually short-term or short-lived, but it's really dependent on what your goals are and what you're willing to do to achieve that goal. An all or nothing approach is really toxic and actually is very unhealthy from a mind and body approach. I think moderation is key, and knowing when to hold them and when to fold them. I think that's vital. So a strong mindset, being honest with your fitness coach, and keeping it simple is extremely key in attaining your specific fat loss goal.